In this video, I'm going to show you how to make quick money in one day online. And by quick money, it's going to be big money. I'm not going to show you some way to make $5 or $10 or $20 in a day online. I'm going to show you how to make big money. And I'm going to walk you through step by step right here on my computer exactly what you need to do to get it. Let's get it. So I'm going to be showing you how to make quick money in one day online. So one thing I'm assuming here is you don't have time to learn a new skill. Okay, so we're just Xing that out. And I'm also assuming that you don't have time to figure out some sort of complex setup. You know, I run a multi-million-dollar internet business. I have a lot of skills in this space, but I'm assuming you know, even if I showed you how to set up a website, we're not going to do that sort of stuff. So we need something fast, and I'm also assuming you need something big because you're not looking for quick, steady money. You're looking for something big in one day. Now, I want to make a quick distinction here, okay? I'm going to show you how to make money in one day online, but the only way to actually get paid money in one day online is if you get paid cash. Okay, so that's a distinction. If you need money literally in the next 24 hours to your bank account, the only way that this is possible is if you have somebody pay you in literally cash. Okay, no matter what else you're doing, no matter what sites you're working with, whether you're doing a freelance site like Upwork, whether you're doing surveys on Amazon Mechanical Turk, or whether you're working with an affiliate network or e-commerce, whatever it is, PayPal, all of these ways of receiving money through the internet, they take verification. They're going to have to verify you. They're going to have to do credit checks. They're going to have to do fraud checks. They're going to have to do international processing. And all of these things are going to take a couple days to actually pay out the money. So just a quick disclaimer there. If you need literally the money in your pocket tomorrow, you need to get paid cash. But that's not what I'm going to be going over. You go on Craigslist. I don't know what country you're from. I don't know. But you just got to go get some cash or beg or whatever. But let's go to my computer. I'm going to show you how to make money, big money, in one day online. Okay, let's go. So I could show you a million ways to make small money online. But if you want to make hundreds or thousands of dollars per day in one day, using something you can only do once, really, you're going to check this out.